We're here at the beautiful AT&T Stadium in Arlington, Texas, celebrating the launch of NYSE Texas. And I'm pleased now to be joined by two folks from P10, CFO Amanda Coussens and CAO Mark Hood. Amanda and Mark, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.
Thank you, Kristen.
Yeah, it's great to have this celebration together here in Texas today. And Amanda, we'll start with you. What should our viewers know about P10?
Kristen, Mark, and I were part of the management team that helped take the company public almost 4 years ago. And as a fourth-generation Texan, I'm so proud to be here. When I think about P10, I think about the clients that we serve. We help our clients invest in private equity, private credit, and venture capital in the middle market and lower middle market space. We primarily focus on North American companies and just expanded to Europe through our latest acquisition of our European private equity fund. We manage about 40 billion of assets for our global client base.
Wow. And Mark, I want to hear from you too in terms of what differentiates P10 in the space.
You know, it's a great question, and we've got some impressive differentiators. I think the first I would note is where we operate, which is in the middle and lower middle market. We've been there for more than 20 years. We're leaders in the marketplace, and we're trusted by GPs and LPs, so it's a great place for us to be. I think the second thing I think about is the depth of our product offering. So as Amanda mentioned, private equity, private credit, venture capital, and now European private equity. We have a lot of ways to meet the needs of our clients. And I think as we think about growth, it's exciting to know that we have a lot of structures and different ways that we can engage with them. I think the third thing is really important to think about in terms of differentiation, and that is structural differences in our part of the market. And I think we're really excited to know that in our part of the market, we see companies with less leverage. We see companies that we think are easier to grow. There are lower purchase price multiples paid for our part of the market. And we're also not quite as dependent on the IPO market. So we've got great differentiators. We've got great things going on at the business. I think when you pair that with the very strong secular growth trends in our industry, we have a lot of confidence that we can grow this company.
Amazing. Amanda, I want to hear from you as CFO. What are your priorities for the rest of the year?
We laid out a strategic growth plan at our Investor Day last September, and we really are continuing to grow on the momentum of our business. We just reported our Q2 results and had a record fundraising quarter, and also completed our acquisition of the European private equity fund. So as we continue through the rest of the year, we expect to continue growing our global client base as well as our product solution set.
Mark, let's talk about NYSE Texas. What does this listing mean?
Kristen, it means a lot. I wasn't born in Texas, but I got here as quickly as I could. Look, it means a lot to us. We're Dallas-based. We're proud to be a part of this. The NYSE is a great partner. And I think what we've learned is that Texas is a place where companies and individuals want to be. I think it's a great place for us to find talent. And at the end of the day, we're a people business. Finding the best talent is critical to our success.
Amanda Coussens, Mark Hood of P10, thank you so much for joining us here at AT&T Stadium for the celebration.
Thank you.
Thank you.